Did you hear the doorbell go off?
No, I was upstairs. What was it? What?
Fuck it.
What? What? What the hell?
It's Flurry.
Hey guys!
Girls, come here.
Hey girls! Yeah? Can you guys come downstairs, please?
Sure. What?
Come down.
What's going on?
I was like, why are you recording? You'll see why I'm recording in a second. Come here.
No, Daddy had a,
Go ahead.
our doorbell. We missed the doorbell ring.
Flurry!
She rang our doorbell. We didn't even hear it go off.
Wait, where is she?
I don't know.
It looked like she went through a window or something.
I don't think Flurry could go through windows. I don't know though. I could be wrong.
Magic!
Okay, good point.
She can fly. She just flew.
Well, if she rang the doorbell, maybe she left something or something. I don't know. Maybe she left a note. She likes notes.
Yes, she does. She left the box.
A box?
Yeah, go down here. Holy shoot.
What?
I'm a boy. It was Vince! Vince! It was Vince!
Is there a note?
And Liam. I am so excited. What? I am so excited to know there is a new baby and I am so excited to know that. No, don't open that yet. Why? Because I haven't read the note. There is a new baby in the family. Santa got Daddy's request for a boy elf for Liam. I heard his name is Fridge. Make sure you eat,
Do you want help?
yeah.
She's all hyped up. Make sure you
Right there.
activate.
Activate. What's that?
Activate. It's one word. Activate.
His magic by giving him cuddles tonight. I will see you tomorrow. Love, Flurry. Tomorrow?
You want to activate my magic?
You have to activate him by cuddling him tonight. How do we get it off? It looks like he's taped in.
Here, hold on. Liam's like, I'm I am hungry.
Legs are so long. Yeah! It looks like he.
Well,
Hi, Fridge.
cool. Now we got a boy elf and a girl elf.
Told you.
Yeah, I know. You kept saying it. You're so funny.
Is this your house?
Aw, she's putting him in the house.
Let's do that one. 8. Let's do 8.
Can I take a picture of the three of you after he eats with Fridge?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll sit down at this table and Fridge will be right here.
Okay.
Oh, I'll hold him while you take.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Official. What did you print out? Official certificate.
I just got the email with the certificate in it.